think I'm looking at the Chinatown. I think it's a unique Starbucks in Singapore. I think the exterior quite nice and the interior. Yeah, I think it's over there. This one. Yeah. Let's see what I think. Yeah, that's what I have. Yeah, I think the usual shit. The usual. Yeah, this one. I think it's reasonable. This is the management. The merch. I think it's all the merch. Yeah, I think that's a second level. Yeah, I think I'm going in Singapore. I think there's a retail area here. Yeah, I think it's the merch. I think it's the second level of honor is institution. I think all the speed. Oh, it's not big. Yeah, I think it's just the Chinatown exclusive merch. Yeah, I think that's the second level here. Oh. Yeah, I think it's going right on the second floor. Yep. Let's go up there. Oh, let's see what they have. The step a bit weird, man. Really like slope. I don't understand. I think a lot of people here. See? Yeah, I think there's printing. But I think you can come on Monday or better. Monday, Tuesday. Yeah. I think there's a lot of little seats as well. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think there's rolling on it. I think usually you come on Monday, man. Weekdays, I think it'll be better. There's a lot of people, man. This is green color. Oh my god. What? Pistachio hot milk. Oh shit. I think you can't see. Later, just. I think it's green, man. It's green. I think you can't see. Yeah, I think they spell around that. Yeah, I think so. Here's Chinatown Starbucks. I think this, yeah, this one is, I think like the pastel color or something. think weekends and a lot of people. So I think if you come weekdays, maybe lesser people. I think it's in the middle of the Chinatown street or something. Yeah, I think it's in the Chinese. Yeah, I need to show you the overall building again. Yeah, here's a photo spot. I think there's a shelter here. Yeah, I think it's glass. I think it's glass, man. Yeah. Yeah.